So we're here at the CES to talk about what we're doing in life sciences with some exciting projects, starting by the Living Heart project, which is a project we are doing with a lot of customers and showing the use of twin of real patient hearts. And we are also hosting another companies, Biomodex, which is creating, starting from the model of the organ and 3D printing this organ to allow the patients and the physician to work together and to review and prepare operation, which allow us to display here on the booth today some of this exciting model created by Biomodex and printed in the context of the 3D Experience Lab.
Our T&M demonstration is basically off two various components. First, we've worked with a partner to model a complete autonomous vehicle. We've also done something above and beyond where we've added a physical device, what we would call a driver in the loop, so we can virtually drive that CAD model. So lastly, we're working also to model the city of Singapore. In addition to just modeling the city in 3D, we're adding big data components like parking availability. So our overall goal would be to create that systems of systems where we could take the virtual vehicle, put it in a virtual city environment to see how the two would cooperate.
We're showing inside of consumer goods retail what we call concept to consumer. And what we're showing here is one of our good customers, Fossil. And we're looking at everything of how they use our 3D technology with SolidWorks to design the watch, to looking at how they use Innovia with our industry experience, My Collection, in terms of how they drive their collaborative development process with our PLM solution. And then how they take that solution and do photorealistic rendering with 3D Excite to allow that watch to jump off the screen in their omni-channel so people on the web get a very immersive experience in looking at the watch and watch design. So we're talking everything from how Fossil designs, develops, and then how they show it to their concept and to their consumer.
So you are here on the high-tech industry booth of the Dassault Systèmes pavilion at CES. So what you see here are actually two important milestones in a product engineering development. The first phase of open innovation, socialization, online communities, where you define what the future product will be. But all of that is happening digitally, which means that all the disciplines can come together wherever they are in the world and start to innovate and start to invent the product. And then you move into the phase of engineering. So in this case, you see that we are engineering a white good appliance where you have a lot of sophisticated interactions between subsystems. And you do all that phase of ideation to engineering in one single digital model. And the beauty is that at some point, you can move into real. You can 3D print, and you see here a perfect example of what you can do today with Dassault Systèmes software and technologies with our industry solutions for high-tech. So we're still at CES for 2 days, so come, join us, visit, and engage with us to know how to invent the future of your product.